here's something that might surprise you. A healthy protein bar and a bowl of lentils. Now, both are around 200 calories, and I think most of us know that they're not the same. But do you know why? And more importantly, do you know what happens in your body once those calories actually get inside? Because I spent years thinking I was making the smart choice with protein bars, energy bites, and clean processed foods. I had no idea that I was sabotaging myself. Let me tell you about my 400 calorie program phase. Yes, 400 calories. I know. And you know what? It actually worked for about a year, as long as I kept restricting. But then my body started screaming for more food, and I literally couldn't stop myself from eating. I went from obsessing over staying under my calorie limit to obsessing over food, period. I'd pack in as much as I could because I felt so out of control. And here's what I wish somebody had told me back then. It wasn't a willpower problem. It was a biology problem. Now, I also did Weight Watchers, counting points and choosing foods based on the numbers, but no one ever said that those points should be used for whole foods. Now, I had an aunt who used to save her points for a donut instead of real food, and honestly, the program made that seem totally fine. I thought the same way, but what I didn't understand is what happens after those calories enter your body. First, your body processes foods different depending on the food. That healthy protein bar with 15 ingredients, your body has to work hard to figure out what to do with it. And those lentils, your body knows exactly what to do. Steady energy, stable blood sugar, and satisfied hunger. Number two, hidden processed foods are everywhere. Donuts aren't a healthy food, and I think we can all agree on that. But what about protein bars, energy bites, superfood cereals, or trendy plant-based products? They come with a health halo, but they're still processed. And third, your nervous system responds to the chaos. When your body gets those mixed signals from processed ingredients, your nervous system stays activated, stressed, and always hunting for more. Listen, I'm not perfect by any stretch. I still eat some processed foods. Yeah, I have a hankering for pasta. And yes, I enjoy some vegan treats. But the difference is now I know what I'm doing. I'm not fooling myself that a superfood bar is the same as real food just because the calories match. Think of it like this. Your body is really a smart chemistry lab, not a calculator. And when whole foods come in, all the technicians know their jobs and everything runs smoothly. When highly processed foods come in, it's like dumping random chemicals on the lab table and saying, here, figure it out. Same calorie number, completely different workload for your body. And here's what really matters for your nervous system. When your body is constantly trying to process those mystery ingredients, it can't really fully relax into rest and digest mode. But when you eat mostly whole foods, your body can lean back and focus on healing, repair, and yes, releasing weight when it needs to. This is why some women can eat more food and feel better than when they are on a restricting processed food diet. So here's what I want you to try. Instead of asking how many calories, start asking how many ingredients. The shorter the list, the better your body can handle it. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to give up everything you enjoy, but maybe, just maybe, that healthy processed snack isn't as healthy as you think. So next Monday, I am tackling a myth that had me trapped for years, that eat less, move more for weight loss program. If you've ever felt like something was wrong with you because that didn't work for you, you're about to find out why that approach was wrong, not you. With love and in health, I'm Saidyfye, the Nervous System Nutritionist. We'll see you next Monday.